If you want to take your meals to the next level, it is all in the sauce.
That's they give you the key, and everything is from scratch.
Why do you think it's important for people maybe to go out and make their own sauces from scratch rather than just buying a can?
This is natural flavor.
Executive chef at Zitejas, Danny Ocampo, is teaching us how to make 3 Southwestern sauces that will spice up dinner time. First up, red chili sauce.
It's easy to make at home.
In a blender, toss
Guajillo dry peppers.
Spicy! What if I eat it?
Probably you're gonna get hurt.
but remember to
Pull the stems off.
Yeah, and the seeds.
in goes onion,
A little bit of garlic.
Oh my gosh. Smells good.
Oh yeah.
red chili powder,
More spice.
Go the cumin.
Black pepper.
coarse salt, and tortillas.
What does the tortillas do?
The tortillas made the sauce more thicker. It's not running, you know.
Okay, we don't want it to run anywhere.
Yeah.
Because we want to eat it.
Exactly.
In goes veggie broth and blend.
Ah!
Put on the stove for about 13 minutes on medium, and voila.
Oh my gosh. Just enough spice.
Chef recommends this sauce on shredded beef or tacos. Now we are whipping up green chili sauce.
Let's get to making it.
Throw some pre-prepped green chilies in a blender,
I'm gonna let you the fun part. Throw the garlic.
Okay.
then some onions, salt, and white pepper.
White pepper is a little bit more spicy.
Wow.
They give you a nice kick.
And last but not least, veggie broth.
These are so easy to make.
It's very easy to make.
Blend and cook over medium for about 6 minutes. And boom!
Wow. That's delicious.
It is.
I could have this as a soup. I just need a snorkel. I'm going in.
He recommends pairing this sauce with seafood. We went with shrimp. Finally, we're making ancho mole cream sauce.
So it's sweet and creamy.
Get your blender and
First, we're gonna throw the jalapenos, throw the honey.
Some sweet.
then some ancho paste for color and flavor. Then cumin, red chili pepper, salt,
Woo!
Some onions, garlic.
chopped tomatoes, and fresh cilantro. Top with heavy cream and blend it up. On the stove it goes on medium between 13 and 18 minutes and you are good to go.
That is incredible. It's so inviting.
Yeah.
Chef says this sauce can go with pretty much anything. We went with salmon.
Good job, chef.
Turning up the heat with 3 Southwestern sauces.